Hello students, today we are going to study equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Consider the equation 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. Is this a linear equation in two variables? No, because this is not in the standard form of the linear equation ax plus by is equal to c. Here the variables are x and y. There are two variables but they are in the denominators. Now we can solve these nonlinear equations by making proper change in the variables. That is by substituting the new variables in the given equation, we can convert them into linear equations. Now let us solve practice set 1.4 first question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Practice set 1.4. First question. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Two by x minus 3 upon 5 y is equal to 15. 3 upon y is equal to 15. Second equation is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So the given equations are 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now here 2 upon x, the variable x is in the denominator and here the variable y is also in the denominator. So we'll write the first equation as 2 into 1 by x. That is 2 upon x means separating the variable. 2 upon x means 2 into 1 by x minus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 15. Let this be equation number 1. And second one, 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. This is equation number 2. Replacing 1 by x by a and 1 by y by b. We get, that is giving, substituting 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So the equations can be reduced to 2a. That is 2 into 1 by x. 1 by x is what? A. And 1 by y is b. So this is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Equation number 3. Similarly, the second equation 8 into 1 by x. Again substitution 1 by x is equal to a. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 4. Now see these two equations. These two equations are linear equations in the variables a and b. Now we can solve these two linear equations by elimination method or determinant method. Okay. Now for elimination method, we can make either the coefficient of a or b equal. For making coefficients of a equal, multiply equation number 3 by 4. Equation number 3 into 4 gives 4 into 2. Multiply each and every term by 4. 4 into 2a, that is 8a, minus 4 into 3b, 12b, is equal to 4 into 15, 60. And second equation as it is, 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Let these equations be equation number 5 and 6. Here the coefficients of a in both the equations are equal. Now we can subtract these equations to eliminate one variable. Subtracting, that is equation number 5 minus equation number 6 gives, changing the sign of each and every term, 8a minus 8a, that is it will get cancelled, minus 12b minus 5b, that is minus 17b, minus 17b is equal to 60 minus 77, that is minus 17. Therefore, b is equal to minus 17 upon minus 17 is equal to 1. Now, substituting, b is equal to 1 in equation number 3. You can take it, you can substitute in any of the equations. Substituting b is equal to 1 in equation number 3. Third equation is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. And we got the value b is equal to 1. So 2 into a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. That is 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. 2a is equal to 15 plus 8. Sorry, 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Therefore, a is equal to 18 upon 2 is equal to 9. So, we got the values b is a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 1. But we have to solve for x and y. That is to find the values of x and y. Resubstituting 1 by x is equal to a. That is 1 by x is equal to, what is the value of a? 9. 1 by x is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 9. That is taking the reciprocal. X is equal to 1 by 9. Again, 1 by y is equal to b. 1 by y is equal to, value of b is what? 1. 1 by y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Here also taking the reciprocal. Y is equal to 1. So, now we got the values of x and y. Therefore, solution is xy is equal to 1 by 9, 1.